Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the system. Shut off the water and power to the disposal so you can work safely. Once done, disconnect the P-trap and supply lines beneath the sink and remove faucet hoses. This prevents leaks later. Next, free the sink from the countertop by loosening mounting clips and carefully slicing the bead of caulk with a utility knife. Make sure to measure the cabinet opening and new sink rough-in, 33x22 or whatever your model. So you lift out the old sink and inspect the countertop and cabinet for water damage. Addressing rot now saves headaches later. Once the basin is removed, clean all old mastic and caulk so the new rim sits flush. Use a scraper and solvent as needed. If the cabinet bottom sagged, add plywood or metal braces to restore support. Then dry fit the new stainless sink to verify faucet and drain alignment. Mark any cutouts and trim the countertop if the opening needs adjustment. You set the sink in place over a continuous bead of silicone or plumber's putty so the seal is waterproof. Press evenly to seat the rim, then secure mounting clips beneath. Reinstall the faucet and connect the drain assembly and P-trap, followed by the supply lines. Hand tighten, then finish with the wrench to spec to avoid over-torquing. Once assembled, run hot and cold water and inspect all joints. If you see drips, tighten fittings or add a small bead of sealant. That single fix solves most leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.